If you have a fireplace, knowing how to avoid creosote fires is seriously important to keep your home safe and cozy. Okay, so first off, you gotta schedule chimney cleanings at least once a year. Creosote builds up over time and it's super flammable, so don't skip this step. Next, only burn dry, seasoned hardwood like oak or maple because wet or softwood creates way more creosote. Don't overload your fireplace with wood, because that can make the fire burn too hot and cause creosote to build up faster. Also, try to keep your fires hot enough to burn clean, but not so hot they damage your chimney. Use a fireplace thermometer to keep an eye on the temperature if you can. Avoid burning things like trash or cardboard, since they release chemicals that add to creosote buildup. Finally, make sure your chimney has a good draft so smoke and gases go out properly, and don't leave residue inside. One of the biggest mistakes people make is ignoring yearly chimney inspections, which lets creosote pile up without anyone noticing. Fix that by booking a pro chimney sweep every year. Another common problem is burning unseasoned or softwood, which creates way more creosote than you want. Always go for dry hardwood instead. A third issue is poor airflow due to blocked or damaged chimneys. This traps smoke and makes creosote worse. To fix this, get your chimney checked for blockages or cracks and make sure the damper opens fully. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place if you need reliable local contractors for chimney cleaning and fireplace maintenance. It also helps contractors find homeowners who need their services, making the whole process way easier for everyone involved.